Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a foundation hack that I learned. It may or may not actually be a hack, but it is definitely a game changer when you have larger pores. This is going to make for smooth foundation application, a smooth surface base, and it's using some of my favorite products, and that includes Profusion and Sheglam and some other products along the way. Today I'm also using the WetnWild Primer Serum, and this is also a base for your makeup. This goes on just like a face oil. You need to apply this first before you do anything else. Before or after moisturizer, whatever you want. And the smell is like a light lavender smell. I'm also using the Sheglam Birthday Skin Primer, and you can find this on Shein.com. And this stuff is amazing. So what I'm doing different is normally I would just stick my finger in this and kind of just apply it on the skin, let it set in for a few minutes, and then I'll just apply my foundation on top of it. Today I'm using a brush. This brush is from AOA Studio, which is shopmissday.com, and it is just, I'm just going to apply the primer with the brush, and I'm using stippling motions around my large pore areas. And the thing I'm doing differently for my whole face routine is I'm taking this Hourglass Veil powder, and I'm going to press that powder into the areas where the pores, or I have fine lines where the primer or the foundation may lie, and I'm pressing the powder, a very light amount powder, onto that primer and pore area as well. You can already see it's made a world of difference. The primer itself is really awesome. The primer itself is fantastic. It does a really good job at smoothing out your skin, filling in pores all by itself. But the powder, this lasts all day long. Minimal breaking down around the nose. That's where I seem to have a lot of issue. Anyways, I know most of you probably do as well. Also, the foundation I'm using is the Profusion Feel Good Skin Foundation, and I like this foundation. It's really nice. It's like $5 or so at the drugstore, and it has really nice coverage. As you'll see, I get just about full coverage with this foundation. This foundation is great, and it sits on top of the primer and the translucent powder very nicely. I was worried about this, but honestly it works, and it's been doing amazing. I give him this smooth application. Like, look how smooth that foundation went on. That was also a Sheglam concealer palette, and you can find that on Shein.com. And this is the Coty Airspun powder, and I'm just going to use this all over the face just to set in the makeup. And you don't have to use as much powder as I do, but I just personal preference, and I make sure everything is set. And after every powder product that I do use, I will go over it with my e.l.f. body brush. And today I'm just using a luminescent blush. This is from Believe Beauty, and it actually has a matte side and a shimmery side. I mixed them together. I like this look. I'm applying that on the cheeks pretty heavily. Oops. And the nose, and it's so pretty, and it just gives a nice glow and color to the skin. I'm using the Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. It smells like strawberries. It smells so good. And here's the finished product. Look how flawless and smooth this foundation looks, this face makeup in general. Like, I had to share this with you guys. If you have larger pores like I do in certain areas, this is a game changer, and I hope that you will try this out for yourselves. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you guys so very much for watching.